Hi, good morning dear students. How are you all? I hope everyone doing well. Okay, fine. In this video, I am going to continue the story, The Tattered Blanket, where we stopped in the previous video. Hoping everyone understanding it. Okay? Can I continue it? So I am going to read passage. Please look in your books. Why don't you ask Vimala to write? Or doesn't she get any time to? Basically, before this line, let us discuss what happened between Kamala and Gopi. Actually, Kamala asked Gopi, why you are not writing any letters to us now? So, Gopi responding, look my dear sister, I got a promotion last year. After I got the promotion, I am very busy with my work. So, because of that busy schedule, I am not getting any leisure time to write letters to you. So, please hope you understand this is my situation. In that way, Gopi explained about his situation to his sister. So, now sister is talking, okay fine. I can definitely understand your situation. You got a promotion and you are very busy with your work. Okay, definitely I can understand. But what happened, Vimala? At least why don't you ask Vimala to write letters? Is she also not getting any leisure time to write letters to us? So it is not at all fair by you and from your wife Gopi. So in that way, Kamala asked Gopi. Okay. What are you mumbling over there? Amma said loudly. Then immediately, Amma take her place in that conversation and she is asking to them, why are you mumbling each other? So, mumbling means talking slowly. So, exchanging ideas in a low voice is called mumbling. So, Amma asked loudly, why are you mumbling each other? I told you, sorry, I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? Basically, Kamala, I asked you, somebody came to our home today in a car. Who is that? So now Kamala is telling her mother, I told you it's Gopi. Mummy, already I told you it is Gopi. So Gopi came to our home today. So Gopi came in a car. So please understand, don't make the same question repeatedly again and again. Sir, okay. Next, but Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? So basically, mother responding. So after listening that answer by Kamala, immediately, mummy asking to Kamala, I think Gopi is in Delhi. So he is living in Delhi, isn't he there now? So asked mummy like that. Yes, Amma, it's me. I have come from Delhi. Now Gopi is talking. Mummy, I am Gopi. I have come from Delhi. So who did Gopi marry? Amma said, okay fine. So now Amma asking, who did Gopi marry? So suddenly lowering her voice. So in a low voice she asked that. Actually what I would like to ask, Gopi got married in the presence of me, but what I would like to ask, what's his wife name? That's I want to know. So what is Gopi's wife name? Don't say you have forgotten her name too. Don't you remember? Vimala, district collector Nambiar's eldest daughter, Gopi's sister said. Now Gopi's sister expressing her idea to her mother, Mummy, don't tell me you have forgotten her name. So basically her name is Vimala. She is district collector Nambiar's eldest daughter. So it is Gopi's wife name. So her name is Vimala. Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? Oh, now I understood. So Gopi's wife name Vimala. I have forgot it. Okay, fine. Is there any letter from today, Gopi? There was. He writes every day because generally Gopi writes letters every day to us. So that's why I am asking, is there any letter from Gopi today? So I am terribly upset if I don't get a letter from him every day. You know something, Kamala? If we don't get any letter from Gopi every day, I feel very terrible. I get lots of fear because as a mother, I am taking responsibility about him. So I want to know what he is facing in Delhi. So that's why I always expect some letter every day from him. He knows it. You know something? Definitely my son also knows about my situation. So if he don't write any letter, if he doesn't write any letters to me, I'll definitely get upset. That Gopi knows about me very well. That's why he writes every day. So because of that, Gopi always writes letters for me. Look at the way she talks. Gopi's sister turned to him. Just as I told you. You know nothing about what's going on here, do you? So this is our mother situation, Gopi. So explained Kamala about her mother condition to Gopi. So when she turned to his brother, immediately she said, it is our mother situation. So she is always behaving like this in these days. So already I told you about our mother condition. So in that way, Kamala explained everything about her mother to the Gopi. Who is that? Amma said again. Oh my God. Again Amma asked, who is that? So who came in a car? Who is that in a car? So who came in a car? So she asked the same question again. Still, the mother did not recognize and identify his son. Okay, fine. It's me, Gopi said. I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram. I thought I should drop in to see you, Amma. Mummy, it's me, Gopi. I am your son. Basically, I had to come to Thiruvananthapuram for the meeting. So I completed and I am returning to my place. So in the middle of journey, I came to see you. Mummy, please identify me. I am your son, Gopi. So Gopi expressing always like this with his mother. But mother is not able to recognize him. So it is the bad situation which is happening between mother and son. So it won't be happening in everyone. So I'm wishing to the God. So it is a very terrible and it is a very dreadful situation. If we will get this kind of situation, we can feel very bad about that situation. So I wish to the God, don't happen this kind of situation between any mother and son. Okay. Who is your Amma? Who is what is her name? Where does she live? Is it far from here? No, it is quite near. So now, mother making number of questions to Gopi. Who is your Amma? What's her name? Where does she live? So is she living far from here? So all these questions asked to Gopi. So after received these questions by his mother, Gopi responding, no, she is very close to me, very closer to me. So I don't know how I can bring back her memory. Gopi's sister said to him exasperately. Immediately Kamala got anger. Exasperately means very annoyance. So getting great anger. So with that great anger, she is telling to his brother, so this is our mother situation nowadays. So I really don't know how should I get back her memory. So mom always behaving like this. It is very problematic situation I'm facing in the home. So please hope you understand our mother situation at least now. So Gopi placed his briefcase on the tinna. He opened it and pulled out the contents: clothes, files, a shaving set. Immediately Gopi put his briefcase on the floor. So tinna means outside, and he opened it and he bring out from the briefcase his clothes, shaving set and files. So my dear students, how difficult it is to think about. So if this kind of situation will happen in our families, we feel very bad about that. We won't imagine. So we never expect this kind of situation between a mother and a son. So if we will get this kind of situation, definitely we feel so bad about that kind of a situation. Of course, we can definitely guess it and we can definitely know it. Okay, fine. Now, mummy talking like this. Do you know my son Gopi? Amma asked him. How terrible it is. So he is asking to his son in this way. Do you know my son? So basically he is asking his own son about his son. So how terrible, how dreadful situation it is. So he is in Delhi. So actually he is explaining about his son with his own son. Oh my God. Okay, he is in Delhi, a government officer. He has Kesari Yogam. He draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. Do you know him? Actually, my son living in Delhi and he is a government officer and he is taking 2500 rupees salary per month, and he has Kesari Yogam. Kesari Yogam means well settled. So my son Gopi well settled in Delhi. Do you know about him? So asked mother. Immediately Gopi said, yes, I know him. Yes, I know about Gopi. So this is the our session. What I would like to teach you in this session. Okay, my dear students. So if we will get this kind of situations in family, we feel very bad, and we won't expect this kind of situations in families. So please understand your parents and respect your parents, and try to be a good son or a good daughter for your parents. Okay, and see you. Have a nice day, everyone. We'll meet again in our next class.